In this video, you'll learn how to maximize your Chase Sapphire Reserve in just a few minutes, so you can get the most value out of every dollar you spend and travel like a pro. First, take full advantage of the 3x points on travel and dining. Use your card for flights, hotels, restaurants, and food delivery worldwide to earn valuable Ultimate Rewards points faster than with almost any other premium card. Next, redeem your points through the Chase Travel Portal for a 50% bonus. This turns every point into significantly more value when booking flights, hotels, rental cars, and experiences directly through Chase's travel platform. Now, transfer your points to Chase's airline and hotel partners. Programs like Hyatt, United, and Air France Flying Blue often give you even higher value per point, especially for business class flights and luxury hotel stays. After that, use the full $300 annual travel credit. It automatically applies to any travel purchase, from flights to parking to ride shares, making the card's annual fee feel much smaller than it actually is. Once you're set up, enjoy the premium perks. Get Priority Pass, lounge access, global entry or TSA pre-check credit, complimentary DoorDash Dash Pass, Lyft benefits, and world-class travel insurance on every trip you take. And that's it. You now know how to maximize your Chase Sapphire Reserve and turn every swipe into unforgettable travel experiences and serious rewards.